Ever found yourself staring at a pile of receipts, invoices scattered like confetti, and your bank account looking like a cryptic puzzle, and thought, there has to be a better way? Seriously, hands up if you've ever felt that financial fog descend. The kind where you're not entirely sure if you're making money or just throwing it into a black hole. You're not alone. We've all been there, especially if you're a small business owner, freelancer, or even just someone trying to get a handle on their personal finances. Let's face it, numbers aren't everyone's best friend. For many, the idea of balancing books and tracking expenses feels about as appealing as a root canal without anesthesia. But here's the thing. Understanding your finances isn't just about avoiding a headache. It's about building a solid foundation for growth, making informed decisions, and ultimately, achieving your goals. Whether you're running a bakery, coding the next big app, or simply trying to save for that dream vacation, knowing where your money is coming from and where it's going is absolutely crucial. Now, imagine a tool that could take that chaotic mess of financial information and transform it into a clear, organized, and actionable picture. A tool that could automate tedious tasks, generate insightful reports, and give you the confidence to navigate the financial landscape with ease. That's where QuickBooks comes in. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Why do so many people struggle with financial management in the first place? It's not just about a lack of math skills. Often, it's about a lack of systems. We're bombarded with information, juggling multiple accounts, and trying to keep track of everything in our heads or on scattered spreadsheets. It's a recipe for overwhelm. And let's be honest, traditional accounting software can be intimidating. Complex interfaces, jargon-filled reports, and the constant fear of making a mistake can make even the most determined individual throw in the towel. That's why a user-friendly, intuitive solution is so important. So what exactly is QuickBooks and why is it so popular? In its simplest form, QuickBooks is an accounting software designed to help businesses and individuals manage their finances. But it's much more than just a digital ledger. It's a comprehensive platform that streamlines everything from invoicing and expense tracking to payroll and financial reporting. Let's break down some of the key areas where QuickBooks shines. First and foremost, invoicing. For freelancers and small business owners, getting paid on time is critical. QuickBooks allows you to create professional-looking invoices in minutes, send them directly to clients, and track their payment status. You can even set up automated reminders to ensure you're not chasing down late payments. This not only saves you time, but also helps you maintain a healthy cash flow. Next up, expense tracking. Whether it's office supplies, travel expenses, or software subscriptions, keeping track of every dollar spent is essential for accurate financial reporting. QuickBooks makes it easy to categorize expenses, attach receipts, and generate reports that show where your money is going. This helps you identify areas where you can cut costs and improve profitability. Then there's bank reconciliation. Manually comparing your bank statements to your accounting records is a tedious and time-consuming task. QuickBooks automates this process, matching transactions and identifying discrepancies. This ensures that your records are accurate and up-to-date, minimizing the risk of errors and fraud. For businesses with employees, payroll management is a critical function. QuickBooks offers a range of payroll solutions that simplify the process of calculating wages, withholding taxes, and generating pay stubs. This not only saves you time, but also helps you stay compliant with payroll regulations. And let's not forget about financial reporting. QuickBooks generates a variety of reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports provide valuable insights into your financial performance, one helping you make informed decisions about your business. You can also customize reports to track specific metrics and analyze trends. But QuickBooks isn't just for seasoned accountants. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial expertise. You don't need to be a CPA to navigate the software and generate meaningful reports. And with cloud-based versions, you can access your financial data from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Now, let's talk about the different versions of QuickBooks. There's QuickBooks Online, which is a cloud-based subscription service that offers a range of features for small businesses and freelancers. Then there's QuickBooks Desktop, which is a traditional software application that's installed on your computer. And there's QuickBooks Self-Employed, which is designed specifically for freelancers and independent contractors. Each version offers different features and pricing plans, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs. For example, if you're a freelancer who needs to track income and expenses, QuickBooks Self-Employed might be a good fit. If you're a growing business that needs to manage payroll and inventory, QuickBooks Online or Desktop might be a better option. Beyond the core features, QuickBooks also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, expanding its functionality and allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. You can connect it to your bank accounts, credit cards, payment processors, and other business tools. For example, if you use Stripe to process online payments, you can integrate it with QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions. If you use Shopify to manage your online store, you can connect it to QuickBooks to track your sales and inventory. This seamless integration streamlines your workflow and eliminates the need for manual data entry. But QuickBooks isn't just about automation and efficiency. It's also about providing valuable insights that can help you make better business decisions. By analyzing your financial data, you can identify trends, track key performance indicators, and forecast future performance. This helps you anticipate challenges, capitalize on opportunities, and ultimately, achieve your financial goals. Let's say you're a restaurant owner. QuickBooks can help you track your sales, expenses, and inventory, allowing you to identify your most profitable menu items and optimize your purchasing decisions. Or if you're a marketing consultant, QuickBooks can help you track your billable hours, project expenses, and client profitability, allowing you to maximize your revenue and manage your resources effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.